Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. If your dishwasher isn't cleaning properly, then there's a few low-cost ways to improve cleaning performance. In this episode, first, we'll learn how it all works. Then we'll learn about dish loading, water temperature, detergent tips, as well as the best settings to use. Thank you to Frigidaire for sponsoring this video. Let's begin. Most dishwashers work in the same basic way. It's a tub with a spray arm that showers your dishes with water. There's an element to heat the water, a pump that circulates and sprays it, and another pump that drains it. By combining these simple components in different ways, the machine creates its various wash cycles. Let's take a look at a typical pre-wash, main wash, and rinse cycles. When you start a program, a pre-wash begins. First, the drain pump runs to clear any dirty water from the sump basin. Next, power is sent to the inlet valve, which fills the tub with warm water. This cycle does not use detergent and is usually heated only through the hot water supply. Once it fills, the circulation pump forces the water through the spray arms. The spinning is driven by the water pressure. This washes away any large food particles. Next, the drain pump runs to purge the dirty water. During the wash cycle, the tub fills with water again. For a high temp or heavy wash setting, the heating element will raise the water temperature to improve cleaning performance. Next, the dispenser releases the detergent, which dissolves into the water. The circulation pump runs and sprays the dishes. This will run for up to an hour. Then the drain pump clears the tub. Next is the rinse cycle. The tub will fill and the dishes are sprayed again. Rinsing, and on some models added heat, help remove any remaining residue. Finally, the tub is drained and the dishes dry. Keep in mind, there is some variation between models, and not all dishwashers will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the Reliable Parts website to see a parts breakdown. This can be helpful to show you which parts are in your dishwasher and where they are located. The way that you load the dishwasher can dramatically affect its cleaning performance. It's best to avoid over-rinsing dishes, since the detergent has enzymes that are designed to activate with some food residue. Scrape the solids and leave the rest. If you have a lot of greasy plates, then try to spread them out rather than clustering them together. Also, make sure that the plates and cups are not too crowded on each of the racks. It's common for spoons to nest together, preventing the surfaces from being cleaned, so it's best to rotate and spread them out. Long utensils can sometimes block the spray arms from spinning, so always check that there's clearance above. When placing bowls on the rack, angle them inward so that they are easily sprayed. Also, if any dishes face upwards, they will collect water and won't clean and rinse properly. Finally, avoid placing large pans or cutting boards near the door, as this can block the detergent dispenser. In some cases, pre-wash cycles are not heated and only use heat from the tap water. If you normally do a delayed start, the hot water pipe will be cool when the cycle begins. It's best to open the tap until it runs hot. Then immediately start the dishwasher. This will give a boost to the pre-wash cycle. Some dishwashers drain into the garbage disposal. Running the disposal first can help the dishwasher drain properly. As well, check the spray arms for any debris. It's worth noting that the heated dry setting will not affect the wash temperature. If you want the best cleaning option, then choose a heavy wash on a high temp setting. This will add additional wash cycles. Now, if you've tried a high temperature wash and it's not heating, then you'll have to do some additional troubleshooting. You can learn more in the video link below. The type of detergent you use is another consideration. Pods are convenient, but since they only come in one size, they may not be the best for all situations. If you have soft water, or if there's too much detergent, then that can leave residue on the dishes. A high-quality powdered detergent lets you do two things. One, you can adjust the amount depending on the size of the load. And two, you can fill the holder on the dispenser. This extra detergent dumps directly into the tub and gives the pre-wash a boost. Even in self-cleaning models, it's best to check the filters to make sure that they are clean. A major blockage will reduce the water flow or prevent it from draining. In this case, dirty water will be sprayed back onto the dishes. Be sure to remove any stickers from the bottom of plates, as these can shred and block the spray arms and hoses. To learn how to do a deep clean of the filter, impeller, and the sump, watch the video link below. Now, if the dishwasher isn't draining properly, then the drain pump might have failed. You can see how to replace this in the video linked below. If your model has an automatic or a heavy wash setting, then you'll likely get better cleaning performance. Advanced models will monitor temperature, changes in the water quality, and adjust wash time as needed. Heavy washes will take longer due to the additional wash cycles. Quick washes have fewer cycles, less water changes, and run at a lower temperature. So it's best to avoid this setting if the dishes aren't getting clean. If you found this episode helpful, then subscribe to our channel. And when you need a replacement part, you can get it online or in one of our reliable parts locations. Thanks for watching.